Maintaining operational efficiency across a growing team requires a reliable infrastructure. Without dedicated project management software and a clear execution strategy, organizational workflows quickly degrade. We spent days watching how different groups get their jobs done on time, and it almost always depends on the application they pick. Today, we will look at 5 great project management software options so you can find the best match to keep your team on track. First, let's talk about a very famous tool that a lot of people use, which is Monday.com. We like this app because it does not look like an old spreadsheet. It feels like a clean online office that you can change any way you want. It uses bright boards that are very easy to read, so you can click and slide your tasks around without getting a big headache. The best part is how it does work for you. When you finish a job, the app tells the next worker right away, so you don't have to write extra emails. If we talk about cash, they have a few choices you can pick from. They have a free plan for just 2 people, but most companies pick the standard plan, which costs $12 for each worker every month if you pay for a whole year. The Pro plan costs $19 and lets you clock your work hours. You should know that Monday sells these worker seats in set groups, so you might pay for empty seats you don't need yet. Still, if your team wants a pretty tool that you can change fast, it's a great spot to begin. Next up, if you think Monday looks too bright and you need a stronger tool for big jobs, you should look at Celoxis. We call this one the big powerhouse because it does all the hard work, like tracking your workers and counting your project money all in one spot. If you deal with large amounts of cash or need to see the exact minutes your team spends on client tasks, Celoxis shows you deep details that easy apps leave out. It looks very neat and clean, and the report charts are great since you can make a clean page for almost anything. When we check the price, Celoxis keeps things quite clear and easy to understand. Their internet setup starts at $15 for each worker every month, but they also sell a version you can put on your own office computer if you need extra safety. It takes more time to learn how to use this tool because it has so many buttons, so your team might need a few weeks to feel ready. But if you want a tool that stays strong when you throw giant, heavy projects at it, you should think about this one. If you want an app that can change fast to fit your team, the next choice is Easy Project. We like this software because it uses an open system called Redmine, but it's been cleaned up to work well for businesses today. It gives you a great middle path because it has regular tools like long timeline charts and task card boards, but it also helps you watch out for big risks and handle customer help messages. This tool works very well when you need your main project bosses to talk easily with your tech support workers. Another great part about how you can buy and set it up for your office. You can use their online web version for about €6.90 for each worker, or you can pay one time to own the whole software on your own office computer. Finding a company that lets you buy software forever is very hard to do these days. It's a very useful, plain tool that lets you pick just the pieces you need so you don't waste money on extra things. It gives you your main tools without making your daily work hard. If your company is getting bigger very fast and you need an app that grows with you, you should look at Wrike. We call this tool the king of choices because it works well for small ad plans and big company jobs too. The best feature lets you put one single task into 3 or 4 different folders at the exact same time without making copies. This helps a lot when 2 different groups in your office are working on the very same job. They also added smart computer tools that look ahead to find problems before they happen to your team. The price for Wrike starts with a good free plan for tiny groups and then changes to the team plan for $9.80 for each worker. If you want the deeper tools like worker scheduling and custom work paths, the business plan costs $24.80. It can cost a lot of money as you turn on more tools, and the screen looks a bit crowded at first because you can do so many things. But for a team that wants to work together well for a long time, Wrike is hard to beat. The last app on our list is Teamwork, which works great if your business spends most of its time helping clients. This tool is wonderful at counting your paid work hours and keeping your customers happy with your progress. It has a special online door where your clients can log in to see their project status without reading your private team chat messages. This keeps your business looking very clean and honest. We also like the special math sheets that show if you're making real cash or taking too long. The price for this tool is very fair for all the features you receive. They have a free plan for 5 workers, which helps you learn the tool first. Their Deliver plan costs $10.99 for each worker, and it turns on the time tracking and billing tools that small businesses need. The app is easy to use, and the phone app works very well when you must check tasks away from your desk. If your daily life is all about finishing client work, Teamwork will be your best choice. At the end of the day, you just need a tool that your team won't mind looking at every morning. If you work better with visual setups, Monday is the way to go. If you're drowning in client projects, Teamwork is definitely your answer. Our advice is to find 2 options that feel right and test them out for free this week. Just dive in. Your future, way less stressed self will be so glad you did.